Alright guys, we're back. I apologize about not filming. I've been super busy, and I just want to say thank you to all those new subscribers and all the new views, likes, comments. I love it. Keep it up, guys. It really makes it worthwhile. You are on headphones and a cell phone, so I apologize about audio quality. But I just picked this up. Quick explanation is it's a SA200 aluminum wound welder. Do not know the year of it just yet because I haven't really took the time to look it up. There's the numbers on it. It does have the Continental motor. I'm not sure on how many hours is on it, but it is a previous Union welder, so I'm pretty sure it has some good hours. It does have the Fairbanks Morse with a Zenith carb. It does have the oil bath set up, but I'm probably going to go with the cold air intake. Everything's going to get changed. I got to go through the whole dang thing because it's been setting up for ages. All the rust, everything, all the dents, all the imperfections, it's all going to get fixed. It's all going to get repainted. Everything's going to be kind of relatively new, if not fixed. All the stuff like just dangling. So I had to run a little jumper tank, but this is going to be the new build series for the channel, the SA200. And after I am done building it, it will be sold. So you guys will get to see step by step, and then somebody might buy it somewhere around the US. But anyways, new build. I gotta go back. We're in Florida right now because I've been all around the US. We're over here planning wedding stuff. But after I get back to Mississippi, I'm gonna pick up my truck because we're over here in the car. Pick up my truck, come get this thing, and then start on it. So it's gonna be sick. There's just dents, dings, everything else. I think it's a single stage on it now. The paint scheme is probably gonna be a white exterior / interior. And then for the water generator, all the exciter, everything from the cone back to the motor is going to be a deep blue, not the blue that's on it, more of a pearlescent blue, I guess you could say. It's going to be kind of similar to the wood wedge blue that Ford has, but the white's going to be a custom color. It's going to have a lot of pearl, almost bass boat flake like. But it's going to be awesome. I'm going to film me painting all that. So the motor's going to probably have to end up getting tore down anyway, so everything's going to get gone through and filmed. I promise I will film this. I promise. And for the U-ship and stuff, I will start filming it more often. I just had to go kind of make a big, kind of weird, squiggly shape all through the northern states and then back down to the southern states. So there'll be a story on that later. And then kind of a shipper carrier's version of how U-ship is versus being someone who doesn't have much experience with it. So more videos to come, but I just wanted to kind of touch base and let y'all know I'm still alive, still care, because I love you guys. And thank you for all the subscribers, all the views, all the comments, everything. It really means a lot to me. And I do feel bad about not filming and stuff and not really showing my ugly face, so it's probably for the better. But so everything's got to get cleaned up on it. But once I get back to Mississippi, I will start building this sick thing and fixing it, and then it will be sold unless somebody wants to buy it as is. And if you want to buy it as is, comment or send me a message, and I can possibly deliver it as long as it's Louisiana up and over towards the East Coast. I don't like the West Coast. Nothing against it, I just don't like it. It's too much desert. I like my swamps. I like my swampy area. So, but the trailer doesn't come with it. It's just a welder, but that's just some dink trailer anyways. It was just something I had to sit it on to move it around. But more videos to come. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe because, like I always keep preaching, there's big things to come. Better quality, better stuff, better filming. I'm trying my best, guys. I promise. There'll be less rambling and more interesting stuff. And just let me know what y'all want me to film, whether it's like stuff like this, or trucks, or fishing, or hunting, or whatever. Probably not hunting because YouTube frowns upon anything that has any sort of firearms in it. So yeah. Alrighty. Well, we'll see y'all guys next video.